Winter is a beautiful season that many people enjoy. It usually comes after fall and before spring. During winter, the weather becomes cold, and in some places, it even snows. Snow is like soft white ice that falls from the sky. One of the most fun things about winter is playing in the snow. You can make snowballs and have snowball fights with your friends or family. You can also build snowmen by rolling snow into big balls and stacking them on top of each other. Adding a carrot for the nose and stones for the eyes and mouth makes the snowman look even more real. Winter is also a time when many people celebrate holidays like Christmas and New Year's Eve. People decorate their homes with lights, ornaments, and Christmas trees. They exchange gifts and spend time together with loved ones. In winter, you need to wear warm clothes to stay cozy. This includes things like a thick jacket, gloves, a hat, and boots. Some people also like to drink hot chocolate or warm soup to stay warm from the inside. Animals also do interesting things in winter. Some animals hibernate, which means they sleep for a long time until it gets warmer again. Others grow thick fur coats to keep them warm in the cold weather. Overall, winter is a magical time of year filled with snow, holidays, and cozy moments with family and friends.